Salam everybody, this is Bibi, Shabbat Preet, day number 12, 19 more days to go. Well, as I mentioned to you guys yesterday, I had my Kundalini teacher training weekend, and it's been an amazing day. I didn't have, I stuck with my cleanse, and I wasn't able to do the wash this morning because I had to, be there early, and it kind of conflicted. But tomorrow I'll be doing the saltwater flush. And I drank my mixture. I drank water. I'm using chewing gum right now to help me with the cravings, and that has helped. I'm not a chewing gum person, but I did get sugarless gum, and that's helped me with the chewing part. And I'll be honest with you, today when we had our break for lunch, they do all this organic food and very healthy food, and everybody was eating. And I was just, preparing my lemonade there fresh because I didn't have time to prepare it in the morning, and plus I like to eat, I like to take it fresh. So, and I went through the whole process, and it's really how strong you are mentally. And as I mentioned to you before, in my yoga practice, one of the things that we work on is meditation. And when you're ready to make a change and you're mentally there, you can use breathing techniques to empower that side of you and overcome probably what we call our mind, which wants to take control. So our mind has to be our servant, not our master. And that takes work and practice to be able to do that. So for those of you that's doing the cleanse and you're strong and you're keeping up, congratulations. You're my inspiration as well, because I look at your videos. And for those of you who are starting, good luck, keep strong, and just keep active, and read about nutrition, read about what you're doing to your body. That helps you a lot. Also, we were with a doctor today. We have anatomy this weekend in yoga. And in Kundalini Yoga, it's a science. So everything from the yogic lifestyle to what you eat, everything that you do and your actions are part of your practice. So we had great conversations today on food, on nutrition, on fasting, on your intestines, on your esophagus, the whole process, your circulatory system, foods that can benefit. So probably in the next few videos, I might start taking a couple of things and sharing with you guys, because it's such powerful information that it would just benefit you. And and just some techniques for stress that I mentioned yesterday in the workshop that I was part of. But anyhow, I'm doing good on day 12. I'll be honest with you, this evening I just felt like, oh my God, I want to eat. But again, I'm feeling great. I'm looking great. I've lost weight, and I haven't weighed myself. I did weigh myself this morning, and it's been like a total of 13 pounds. So, my whole body is changing, and I'm just feeling right. Like when I was doing the Kriyas, the exercises, the sets, and the meditations, you just feel a lot better, a lot healthier. So anyhow, I just want to check in with you guys and tell you how I was doing, and I'll check in with you tomorrow and give you an update, and your comments, and rate my videos. For those of you who watch my videos, rate it. I like to be rated. That little girl inside of me. But anyways, I'll keep you posted, and good luck on your cleanse, and I wish you always the best. Satnam.